Hello and welcome to Project Uma. We just secured this property. It's a 5-bedroom apartment. We're going to be renovating it, converting it and title split it, and that's what it is. It's an absolutely amazing, massive property. So I'm super excited to actually show you around and what we could potentially do with this property. We're going to be adding significant value to take the property from where it is now to the next level. I look forward to showing you inside. This is the first flat. This is the ground floor flat. It's flat number 1. Come on in, let's see what we've got to offer in here. So as you walk in the property, you've got this little sort of courtyard porch area, and then on your right you've got the bathroom. So this is where the bathroom is. Again, the property has not been looked after. It's been vacant, it's been neglected. So I like to get properties like this. The reason why is because I'm adding value to it. I'm bringing life to the property, as well as making it a property where someone would call home. So you can see the bathroom here. Obviously, as you can see, it's in a bad condition right now. We're gonna like reconfigure everything in there to ensure it's in a good standard and livable condition. We're gonna upgrade it so it looks really nice. I know it looks awful right now, especially looking at that there. It's really awful, but what I do basically is to add value to properties and make sure it becomes an amazing property. So I'm going to show you the kitchen, and again, this is the kitchen, right? Again, we're going to upgrade this kitchen nicely to ensure it looks modern, nice and refreshing. That boiler is going to go. We're going to change the boiler. Kitchen's gonna be decorated. Flooring also is gonna go. The walls, we need to look at the walls. The ceilings also, we need to do the ceilings really nice to ensure it looks to ensure it has love to it. Okay. I'll walk you to the sitting and the bedroom area. Okay. So what we're going to do here, basically, because the kitchen is right by there, so this is gonna be a sitting lounge area. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna take all this rubbish away. By the way, welcome to the property world. As you can see, look, this is literally a shithole basically, right? So all that we're gonna get rid of. We do it really nice and make this as the sitting area. So if we walk this way, and again in here, it's a massive room. You can't complain about this room. It's really nice. Again, what we're going to do here, just going to take everything away, redo the walls, insulate it, open it up, make it really nice and tidy, sort out the windows, the rads is there, upgrade everything basically to ensure that it looks absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to add significant value to this property, especially this flat is a very nice ground floor flat that's been neglected for many years. I'm gonna add value to it and make sure it's in a livable, not just livable standard, it is an amazing standard. So I look forward to showing you flat number 2. Flat number 2, come on in. Again, this flat is one of my favorite pieces basically, because the kitchen is massive. The kitchen is very big. Again, we're gonna rip out the kitchen, sort out the ceilings. Obviously, we're going to look into that door as well. The bathroom is a good size bathroom. Again, we're going to reconfigure the whole bathroom, take all the silly stuff away, upgrade it, make it a nice livable property that people can really enjoy to live in. Okay, and again, I'm super excited and I'm really chuffed to have this property for me to be able to add value to it. And now I'm going to take you to the sitting and bedroom area. Right, again, well, this is the kind of a room / sitting area as well, but the kitchen is big enough for you to have a dining table or whatever you want to have there. This would be a massive room. Again, we're going to look at the floors, the walls, the ceiling, the fire alarms, get rid of all this rubbish basically. You can see the rubbish here. We're going to get rid of all this so that we can then start doing the work. So I'm super excited. It's a $500,000 project, this one is, so I'm really looking forward to actually getting the works done as soon as. Flat number 3. Okay, in flat number 3, as soon as you open the door, again, you've got the kitchen. Here, massive kitchen, really big kitchen. So what I intend to do basically is to upgrade it, make it as a kitchen dining area. So it has a breakfast bar going there, so that then they can utilize the space effectively and make it really modern. We're going to look at the ceilings, and obviously we're going to look at the walls again. We're going to make sure it's insulated really nice, so that it feels warm and accommodating. So I'm going to take you through the bedroom. Again, before we do anything in here, as you can see, we've got lots of rubbish here. So we're going to get rid of all this rubbish. And again, we go back to bricks, you know, ensure everything's nice and tidy. Do it all up, sink all the cables in. Everything needs to be watertight. Again, I'm super excited about what we're going to do. Actually, I haven't shown you the bathroom. Come on in. It's a very nice, funny bathroom. There you are. Again, this is a funny bathroom. It's a surprising bathroom, to be honest. Look at the bathtub. The bathtub is absolutely huge. I don't know what they were having in here, but anyways, it looks nice. And then obviously you've got the sink here, you've got the toilet, and then you've got that shelf. We're gonna get rid of all this stuff here, like bring life to the property, basically modernize it, make the bathroom looks absolutely amazing. So people will feel like living here instead of just feeling like to live here because they cannot afford to take a better or bigger flat. And again, I look forward to showing you flat number 4. Well, I'm gonna take you to flat 4 now. This is the main entrance for flat 4. And again, if you fancy a TV, it's an amazing TV. Okay, if you wanna have it, you can have it for completely free. Okay, and at a discount as well. Okay, come on in. So it's a bit dark in here. Apologies about it. As I said, I buy properties that I could add value to. So, and again, there's no light, so excuse me for it. If it's a bit dark, just bear with me on that. Okay, come on in. So we're gonna go upstairs that way, right? We have 2 flights of stairs we're going to go through. And again, as we go in, you get the second tiny bits of flight of stairs, and then this then gets you to flat 4, right? Immediately when you get to the flat, you've got the kitchen on your right hand side. Again, it's a good, nice little kitchen, right? It's not massive compared to downstairs, but it's kind of a self-contained kitchen. You can close the door, no smoke or smell would go into a bedroom. And if you have a look at the bathroom as well, again, I think the bathrooms are really reasonable. They're very good sized bathrooms. You've got the toilet there, you've got the bathtub, and you've got the sink. And again, we're gonna rip everything up here. Again, back to bricks. Get it modernized, do it really nice, so someone would really love to live here instead of living here because they cannot afford to actually rent another flat. So I'm going to take you to the bedroom. Again, this is the bedroom. We've got lots of presents for you if you need any. Again, we're going to get rid of all that. Again, we're going to sort out all the walls, ceiling. The window needs attention as well. We're going to box that in nicely. It's a very big room. It's a very big room, and you've got the kitchen there, which means you don't have to worry about the kitchen. And then obviously then you've got the bathroom on the other side as well. So again, I love this room. The light, I think, is south facing as well. I cannot really wait to get this property, or this flat specifically, to the standard I normally do my properties. Okay, again, it's a bit dark in here, forgive me about it. So what I'm going to do here, basically, this is going to be a studio flat, okay? We're going to clear all this rubbish away, as you can see here. We're going to work out where we're going to have a shower or ensuite, and then where we can have a little kitchen cabinet, and then you can have that as a bedroom here. It will look really nice. Alternatively, I can use that flat there to use this here as a common area where they will use this as a sitting room or something like that. But still, this is a massive place. There's a potential basically to do whatever you want to do with it, because it's got the windows here already, right? And we also have another window there as well. So there's a huge potential here. We could do a lot with this with the space we have here. So I'm going to take you to flat 5/6. Again, this is the 5th flat /6, however way you want to call it. We've got a little sort of cabinet here or kitchen worktop. Again, we're going to get rid of that, find what we can do in there, and then obviously we have a massive space in here. What I intend to do here basically is to have is to have the bathroom toilet in here. So that will nicely work with the downpipes downstairs. It will connect nicely there, and then we've got that. And then obviously we've got a little storage here as well. This storage facility is also really nice. We could utilize it as a storage instead of a kitchen, and then that way that you've got that enough space to keep whatever you want to keep in here. Okay, so this is a massive place I was talking about, banging about. Very big to have an ensuite room here, right? Sorry, to have a studio flat. So what we're gonna do right now, it hasn't got a window. We're gonna have skylight windows here and skylight window on the other side here as well. So you bring that natural light into it. We can obviously wire it to make sure it is livable, and then it hits the building regulation requirements. So, and again, I'm super excited. Really love this property because it's a property that I can add value to. It's a property that I'll be able to literally bring into life so that people that needs it the most can actually use it and call it home. I really look forward to sharing all the figures with you, as well as the final product, final appearance of the property, so that you can see exactly what I've done to it. Thank you so much. I look forward to sharing the next video. If you like this video or any of my videos, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of this amazing tutorial, and also if you have any comments you want to add on, don't forget to do the comments below.